Hello, fellow Sublime Text fanatics. ODAT Nerd here, aka Terrence. You may recognize this face as the face that goes with the voice you've been hearing in the videos. Looks like my avatar. I'm even wearing a Sublime Text t-shirt right now, just like I do in the introduction of the video. This video is for talking about the state of this secondary channel where I do all my live streams. I also have created a similar video on my primary channel, which is linked in the description below, that will tell you about all of the goodies that are going to be happening on that channel in the coming new year. Now, what's happening on this channel here? Well, a couple of things. First of all, live streams. Second of all, Devember. As you know, we've been doing live streams twice a week throughout November on Sundays and Wednesdays, and that was leading into being able to do one live stream a day through the entire month of December for my Devember project. So those will be the live streams that will be done. We won't be doing anything HyperHelp related as we have been doing for the last few live streams until the start of the new year, when the schedule for live streams is going to go back, at least initially, to one live stream per week on Sundays. And of course, I'm committing to a hell of a lot of live streaming, doing one through the entire month of December. So there is a slight possibility that there might be a couple of weeks into January before the first live stream proper happens. We'll have to see how that all times out. But keep tuned to this channel for information on that. I like to schedule the live streams in advance, at least a couple of days, if not more, so that people who are interested can see what we want, what's going to be happening in the live stream and when it's going to be happening, in case they want to pop in. And you can subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed to get more information on that. And now it is time for me to depart this video by way of a cut in my video editor, so I can go ahead and create yet another recorded video for the channel that's going to just tell everybody what's going to be happening here on this very channel throughout the month of December. It's going to be super exciting if you like package development in Sublime Text, and it's also perhaps exciting if you don't like package development in Sublime Text, but you want to watch a guy fumble around and not know what the hell he's doing for 31 consecutive days. So stay tuned and have a sublime day.